Merry Christmas from Tea for the Soul. We have some fun little gift ideas, holiday gift ideas for your favorite girlfriend or all
Sisters.
you all you men out there trying to get your wife or girlfriend a little something.
Or if you're helping your brother pick out for his girlfriend.
I
can do that.
We got all the
Yes.
ideas. I'm so excited. Christmas is my favorite time of the year.
I love gift giving. I love picking out for people. It's so fun. Just like getting to personalize it.
I would say I'm not the best gift giver, so this is why I watch YouTube videos like this.
Yes, what to give.
Yes, because I really kind of suck.
Well, we have really good stuff right now.
Okay,
So
let's
it makes it really easy.
I'll go with
Yeah, so here's my ideas.
Okay, okay, I'm so excited.
First off, pretty boxes, so you don't have to wrap. Duh.
Done.
You don't like to wrap, right?
I'm not a great rapper.
Just a beautiful scarf that they can use year round.
Ooh,
I'm loving it, and this is like, I mean, it could even like,
It's almost like a shawl.
yes,
Also.
super cozy, fancy,
So
and it's
cute.
great, timeless piece that can be used year after year.
Yep. Love.
And then a great mug. If you don't do the whole coffee thing, you probably do tea. And you probably do hot chocolate.
Oh, for sure, hot chocolate.
Add a little
What does
cider.
that say on it? That's super cute.
Okay, it says I really need a day between Saturday and Sunday.
That is
And
perfect.
it's super cute. It's all dressed up, like ready to be given as a gift. But I didn't have like soup out of my mugs.
I love it. Oh, I do
And then, yes, a lot of my girlfriends, we love leopard. This is just a great, cute,
That's so cute.
Mimi, I know you love leopard, Danya.
Danya
I
loves
do love
leopard.
I might have to get this for you. And then just, I mean, a lot of my friends are dog moms. Like the two of you, like big time
Yes.
dog moms right here. So this is perfect. A house is not a home without paw prints. And these little
I
like,
love that.
wooden signs are just like so sweet to just kind of like set
Dress
around
up
your
in
house. Yeah.
That would fit perfectly in my house.
Mine too. Next to my Fur Mama coffee mug. Actually.
And I have a Fur Mama t-shirt.
Yes.
Love it.
All the good things.
Okay,
Yeah,
Danya.
and mine. Ooh, for any glam girl.
Hi.
I
What
love
does it
that.
say?
Love that.
Running on caffeine and dry shampoo.
Story
We do
of
that
my
around
life.
here.
Yes.
Story of my life.
These are like the perfect size.
Yes.
Yes.
To like, you know, have your like lip glosses in your purse or like your touch-up makeup.
Throw it in a
Mascara.
carry-on, going
Yes.
traveling, and then it's not hoarding if it's makeup, which is so true. Then a brush set.
Oh, so cute.
It's perfect. It's already ready to be gift.
It's already ready to be gifted.
Gifted.
Love it. That is so.
That's
I
a
love
great
that.
stocking stuffer too.
Yes.
I would even like keep like the little holder, you know, and like keep your brushes like in them.
Yes.
Super
Keep
cute.
them clean.
Oh,
My
perfect
12-year-old would
stocking
love
stuffer.
this also.
Yes.
Okay, so these are really great gift ideas so far, and like Lindsay said, great stocking stuffers for sure too. I think they would all fit. Okay, I love opening presents.
I think I'm gonna need this.
That sounds real cute.
That's so you, Danya. Ooh, I already know what these are.
You can't have enough slippers. They're the coziest.
I hope that these are on the right feet.
I think.
So cute. Love them. Okay, slippers, always a necessity. I always have like so many of them. Beanie.
Oh, I love that.
The little pom-poms. Oh, that is so cute.
I love that color.
Okay.
too.
You guys know that
You're a purple
like
girl.
my color. Okay, let's do this.
Oh.
Yeah.
Here, look at Christmas lights. With this freezing weather. that we
Football
have.
Oh my gosh.
games.
Football games for sure. We have so many colors. to
Grocery
choose.
store even. It's just freezing.
And our leggings. Like, I mean, can you not?
$9 leggings.
$9 leggings.
They're the best.
They are the best. I don't know. What kind of gifts do you guys like to receive?
Everything.
Everything. I do love everything, but I love anything that I can be comfy in at home because as I get older, I just like to sit at home.
And really like necessities, like the house shoe, like slippers, like I wear those every day. Like I drink from a mug every
yes,
day. Like
yes.
for me, like things that I'm gonna use every day.
I love stuff
are
like
big
this.
time
I
necessities.
do. If I have another bag though,
I get so many
to
bags.
organize things.
But this is something that like anytime like I de-hoard, like get rid of things, I never get rid of these because I always use them.
Yes.
Like I have so many of
I
them.
have
but
bags
always
inside
use
of
them.
bags.
I know, same girl. Yeah, these are just like the perfect little size. I love this.
Really, really cute.
Okay, so we want to know what y'all's favorite holiday gift ideas are, what you like to receive. Hopefully you guys liked this video.
Yeah, I mean, we have tons of things besides this here at Tea for the Soul that is perfect for gift giving. I mean, along with a gift card, because
Yes.
who doesn't love, like, I love to go shopping. So go ahead, you should put a little gift card.
That's what I was just
here.
about to
Yeah,
say,
put a
put
little
that
gift
in there.
card here in the mug.
You could even like
And
change it for that.
yes, like in a little cubby.
We should give that to each other this year.
Oh, y'all are adorable.
Little dog mugs.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so ladies, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more fun videos coming your way soon.